In this video, I'll guide you through how to add milestones in Basecamp. Whether you're managing a project or simply organizing your tasks, adding milestones is a crucial step in tracking progress and ensuring that your team remains aligned with the project goals. Let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible for you. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to basecamp.com. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Basecamp dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the projects you're involved in. This is where you can manage everything from tasks to team communication. Now, let's select the project where you want to add a milestone. Click on the project name to enter the project space. This area is where all the project-specific activities take place, so make sure you're in the correct project to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're inside the project, look for the Schedule or Calendar tab. This is usually located in the main navigation menu within your project. Click on Calendar to access the project's timeline and upcoming events. The calendar is a great visual tool that helps you see all the tasks and deadlines at a glance, making it easier to plan and adjust as needed. Next, you'll want to create a new event, which in this case will be your milestone. Look for the option that says New Event or something similar and click on it. This will open up a form where you can fill in the details of your milestone. In this form, you'll need to enter the name of your event. This should be a clear and concise title that accurately reflects the milestone you're setting. Keep it straightforward so that anyone glancing at the calendar understands the significance of this date. After naming your milestone, it's time to set the date. Choose a date that aligns with the project's timeline and any dependencies that might affect the completion of this milestone. Setting an accurate date is crucial because it allows your team to plan their tasks accordingly and ensures that the project stays on track. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Post this event to save your milestone. This action will add the milestone to your project's calendar, visible to all team members involved in the project. Make sure to double-check the details before posting, as this will help prevent any misunderstandings or miscommunications down the line. And there you have it, you've successfully added a milestone to your project in Basecamp. This process not only helps in maintaining structure within your project, but also fosters accountability among team members. Remember, clear communication and organized planning are key to any project's success. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on adding milestones. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.